So, Strike Gold Shave has a new original scent that they made a fragrance in collaboration with Laughing Saint and some shave products. We're talking about the new fragrance, Gento. Stay tuned. You'll see some footage of me using this, but at the recording of this portion of the video, I have not lathered, I have not smelled. There's a sweetness, and I want to say some tobacco, but let's smell the fragrance. We'll lather this bad boy up and check out the aftershave in just a little while. I'm very curious about the fragrance. It's an eau de parfum concentration. It's called Gento, made by Laughing Saint in conjunction with Strike Gold Shave. Fans of the channel, you know how much I enjoy Strike Gold shaving products, how much I like Nostalgia and Uncle Jumbo, which are clones of Pacific Rock Moss and Layton. This is not a clone. This is an original scent. I don't remember the note breakdown. I'll actually put it right up here on screen for you guys. Let's see what I get on it. So we'll give it a few seconds. So I've been eagerly awaiting this. The shaving products came in about a week ago. I've been waiting for the fragrance to come from Laughing Saint so I could do everything together in one video. And I'm not breathing through my nose yet, so let's check it out. Wow. There's a spice here. There's some in-my-face spice. It's like a cardamom kind of spice, because there's a sweetness and it's spicy, but not a powdery cardamom. I could be wrong. It might not be cardamom, but it's a sweet spice that I'm getting up top with, yeah, like I was smelling in the soap, a little bit of tobacco in the background. This is a very warming scent. That's one of the first things I can tell you about this, besides it being sweet, spicy, and tobacco. It's very warming. And I want to say there's some amber attributing to that. It's got an ambery tone to it. It's not overly amber. It's not overly sweet and spicy. The tobacco's in more of a supportive role. I do detect some tobacco. It's actually quite well blended. I'm not sure how well it'll develop, if it's going to stay linear and just be what I'm smelling now the whole way. If it was to stay the way it is currently, I'd be okay with that. This is one of those fragrances that would do well being linear from start to finish. It does smell like the sweetness is toning down a little bit more though, so I don't think it's going to be linear. The opening had a nice little punch of sweet spicy right up top. Yeah, that's what it comes off to me. I want to say there's some cardamom in here making that sweet spice. That's what it smells like to me. Amber and tobacco. It does have a little bit of an aromatic nature. I'm not sure if there's any lavender. It's not jumping out to me as lavender, but it does have kind of an aromatic quality to it. And I'm sure there's some woods down there in the base to give it a nice solid backbone, a real good foundation. But this is definitely a very warming fragrance, very good for this time of year. Perfect time for a release of Junto, because it's like I said, it's a very warming scent. It's not overly spicy, but it's spicy. It's not overly sweet, but it's got some sweetness. And it's not an in-your-face tobacco. It's a very supportive background tobacco. Like, it's there. You don't have to look hard for it, but you do have to look for it a little bit. Yeah, that sweetness is toned down quite a bit. There may be some more sweetness that rears its head as it dries more, but where it stands right now, now that that sweetness is toned down, there's just a spice and amber, getting kind of a spicy amber kind of thing. That's where this warmth is coming from. Really like this. Very, very original. It's not reminding me of a specific fragrance. It doesn't smell too familiar. It's not really striking me as anything. Strike gold, no pun intended. Yeah, this is really good. As a matter of fact, you'll see from edits of me shaving, but I just got back from the gym and I'm going to need another scent. This is going to end up being my scent for the rest of the day. I will spray this on and I'm going to shave with these products. You'll see the footage, a little bit of footage of me lathering and shaving and all that good stuff at some point somewhere in this video. I don't know where it's going to be, but this is going to be what I wear. So I'm going to have a nice traditional shave with the shave soap, which, let me go over the label. They did sell out on Strike Gold's website, and they do have a restock on Wednesday. It's Benjamin Franklin with all tatted up. And then the aftershave splash. Love their bottles too. Really, really good. I haven't opened it yet. So, really, really good restrictors. Really good restrictors on their bottles. Frank uses really good stuff. And his soaps, they lather great. We'll check it out. We'll touch base. And I'm going to have a nice shave. The fragrance is awesome. If you're interested in the fragrance, I'll have Laughing Saint linked below. It's available exclusively through Laughing Saint, or even on the label. That's who created the oil for Frank. And then the shaving products are available. I forgot what company still has a stock of them. I'll have that linked below. And then they do restock on the Strike Gold shaving website on Wednesday the 3rd. So if you're interested in getting any of this and you missed the first round, they have a restock coming on pretty quickly on Wednesday. So definitely excited to really use these in a minute. First impressions are great, but we're about to do a full wearing. We're going to get our shave on. And until next time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because I do appreciate all the feedback. I love hearing from you guys. How many of you have tried some of Frank's offerings, some of the other products from Strike Gold Shave? This is all original, nothing clone about any of this. This was created from scratch, and pretty excited to really get down with these shaving products. So until next time, I will say, if you get your hands on Gento, you give it a spray now, or a nice lather and shave with the shaving products, you might end up thanking me later. Have a good one, guys.